I guess. I'm just going to put this on my one ear so I can hear.
I'll tough it out if my ear's already cooked.
Actually, I should probably just take this. Give it a little bit of a chew check. That should work. All the ignition advances too. 24 degrees, 600 RPM.
I should have recorded that on my phone.
I didn't expect it to start.
Started right away.
2.0 start up here. See, I got all that stuff connected. I think we're good. Well guys, this is a short video, but you can see the LS runs. I was having a fuel leak at the O-rings, but I realized it's not the O-rings. My father-in-law helped me. It's this sucky Jags fuel rail. You can see I tightened it down. It chips, but this one's tight. Look how much of a gap is on this bracket, and there's no play. So I'm gonna have to figure something out on that, but it runs good. Got my little fuel pump set up. So it comes in, I guess it'd be passenger side, comes around and goes out back into the tank. And then I got my regulator, the air motive. Just running it on 91. Little makeshift oil pressure gauge. It takes a little while to get pressure just because it's on the top of the lifter galley. But it works, so it has pressure. It doesn't see any issues. So I'm gonna probably maybe get some kind of fail-safe gauge, like a can gauge or something, to throw on that oil pressure line to keep it safe, because I don't have, I don't have to look at a mechanical gauge and try and gauge whether I need to shut it off or not. But yeah, father-in-law came by, helped me start this boy up. I just literally used jumper cables and connected it to Tuner Studio on here from the Mega Squirt, or Micro Squirt I should say. The plug-and-play kit from EFI Source or DIY Auto-Tune, whatever you want to call it. So that's that, but until then, gotta throw it in the freaking BMW over here. LS Turbo BMW. Thanks.